Oh! Hello everyone, this is HTC How to Do Something in China. I am Bone Setting Day. I've noticed that many of you are interested in novel experiences. I'm going to take you to another first experience for me, bone setting. I've watched a lot of videos about it, so does it really work? Is it safe? Let's go. I did some research. The majority of bone setting people are office workers, just like me. In fact, I'm not sure about my body posture health, but I do play my phone with wrong postures and cross my legs a lot. So, I plan to start by testing which areas of my body might have issues. The doctor used professional software to take photos of me from the front, side, and back. It's amazing how, just through these photos, the computer detected issues with my posture, such as tense trapezium muscles, uneven shoulders, and a tilted pelvis resulting in one leg being longer than the other, likely caused by lowering my head for too long. The doctor discussed with me that my pelvic tilt was due to incorrect sitting posture. I'll definitely work on that in future, maybe. So that is my body testing. Now I'm going to do the massage first, then a bone setting. There is a very strong smell of the sandalwood. I'm not sure how they're gonna change my long, short leg and my shoulders.
主要是哪里比较累啊？
他说我这边很紧张，这边就还好。
这边紧张。我放松。
The therapist used manual massage to relax my shoulders and back. Throughout the process, he constantly reminded me to relax because I was quite tense. Massage is more effective when the muscles are relaxed. The doctor said I need to relax for 100 times, but it's really hard to relax when you are this hurt. He had a great sense of areas with blocked veins, always accurately finding my pain points.
其实最酸的点在哪里，你知道吧？我轻轻地点一下，你感受一下啊，就在这里。
哦，
对不对？
There's a saying, 通则不痛. It's important to release blocked veins. Now it's gonna be the facial knife to relax my back. Nervous. I must say the knife thing really frightens me. The therapist applied a layer of essential oil to reduce friction and pain during the procedure. Here comes the facial knife. It's quite long, but luckily not very sharp. I'm too thin. The knife is fighting with my bones. It can eliminate muscle tension and effectively release facial tension caused by strain. Well, since it has so many benefits, I'll enjoy it. Okay, now I finished my massage. We are going to do the bone set, the main part of today. The doctor repeatedly reminded me to relax and then recite my bones when I least expected it. Oh! Did you hear the crack? Will he break my neck? Wow, this is really scary. Ooh. 好可怕。I must mention that it's really difficult to stay relaxed because I was extremely tense and I was very afraid of my bones breaking, you know. 我放松了。
7、
Now, the doctor has asked me to maintain this position for 5 minutes to stretch and correct more effectively. But I asked for a blanket because I feel a bit cold. And doctor said, in that case, you can lie down for 10 minutes. Well, I asked for it. Look at my forehead. I have so many triangles on my forehead. Ignore that, everyone. So this is the whole process of the bone setting. Scale from 1 to 10, I'll give it a 7. Not that painful, but for me, it did hurt a little bit, especially the facial knife thing. And as for the bone setting, my neck part, that one is really, really terrifying. There was one moment I feel like I'm going to die. And after the whole process, I feel like I'm more flexible. I think this worth a try. As for the price, it's 400 RMB for a whole hour, and including all the process, as it is a expert thing. Maybe it's reasonable, I guess. Congratulations, now you know how to bone setting in China. Making content is not easy. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.